What's the meaning of configure? Configure. Configure.
Configure. Configure. Configure refers to the process of setting up a system or device so that it functions properly, according to specific requirements or preferences. This can involve adjusting settings or parameters, installing drivers or software, connecting hardware components, and other tasks. The result of configuring a system or device is that it performs as desired, meets specified standards, and is suited to particular tasks or environments. Effective configuration can improve performance, stability, security, compatibility, and user experience, and can enable customized solutions to meet unique needs.